Okay, so we're in the Bloor bike lane. It's a little tricky getting into it, but seems to be pretty clear at this point. Get around this car. Thanks a lot. And I'm not sure my angle is showing this, but yeah, a fair bit of snow in this lane. All right, so I'm just gonna follow this e-bike down Shaw here. There's really only enough room for one car coming northbound, so every time a car comes by, you basically need to just pull over. It's not worth having the debate because they don't really have anywhere to pull in. So yeah, clearance-wise, it's down to the pavement, at least in the two tire treads here, so you just kind of follow the yellow line. I think here, yeah, the good bit here is that the street turns to southbound one way for cars. So if there is a car, he's just gonna have to wait behind me. Sorry, car. The street's a little less bare here. I think just a little bit less traffic on this block of Shaw. Just gonna zoop around. Another thing I would recommend, in addition to having the decent winter tires, these are Michelin star grips. And if you look closely at the treads, you can see they look like little stars. I probably have about maybe 25 PSI. And these are maybe 40 millimeter width tires, so it's a fairly low pressure at that size. Dundas might be a little bit trickier since it has no bike lane. So yeah, also a streetcar street, so can provide a little extra challenge with the tracks. Gonna aim to stay off them. Thanks, bud. Yep. Like, it wouldn't kill you to use a turn signal once in a while, right? What are you doing, man? I don't know what you're doing. That's not good. And then I'm in this little ridge here between parked cars and the railroad. Streetcar tracks. All right, so the little bike lane here on Dundas West is totally unusable, so just taking the road. All right, so we got one little last stretch of Bloor. This is just west of Dundas, and it looks pretty good. Almost a meter of pavement here. Hello. Hi. I know, Oscar. How's it going?